Well, hello there. How do you do? Hey y'all, hey, how y'all doing? So, I just wanted to show you some of the stuff that I made from this Drax comic book that I had. I don't remember which one it was, but I had a custom request on Etsy for her to make for me to make her a Drax wallet because she was about to go meet one of the people and she wanted him to sign it. So that's pretty cool. So I have some of the comic book left over and I made some cool wallets with it. And I just wanted to show you guys because I really enjoy Drax in the Avengers Infinity War. That he was so good. I like him. So anywho, this is one of the wallets that I made. You see, let me see if you can see it. It's kind of cool. And then this is the back side. And then it opens up. And these are upcycled from a comic book, like I said. It's layered with a duct tape on the inside. So, you know, it won't just be all like fragile and stuff. And flimsy is the word I was looking for. It won't be all like flimsy. So it's pretty sturdy. And this is the inside. And then I even have a little magnetic closure up here. So you can like close it and secure your little goods, you know. So, this is kind of cool. I like this one. Bring it on, he says. So, this is cool. This is one of the ones that I made. And then, whoops. And then I have another. And this is the second one that I made. This one's kind of cool. Boop. Oh, I had it upside down. Let's try this again. This is one of the ones that I made. That's kind of cool. And then the back of it, and then it opens up like so. And that one is cool because it has Raccoon and Groot on there, and Venom is on there as well. So this is like a cool one. I like this one. Boop. I hope you can see it. I hope my hands don't cover it, but here you go. And then that side. All right. Boop. And then these are, I made 2 bifold wallets. This is one of them. Boop, that's that side. And then the other side. Boop. And then it opens up like so. So it's kind of cool. It's Drax and Venom with a little rocket in the mix. And then it has a little slot right there for your little monies. It's four card slots on here. Like you'll see there's 4. And each card slot, you can fit like multiple cards in there. So it's kind of cool. It's really spacious. It may not look like it, but it's pretty spacious. And that is layered with duct tape and packing tape as well. They're very sturdy, durable. They're not flimsy. You know, I put a little effort into these when I make them, people. So here goes another. The other bifold one that I have. Let me open it the other way so you can see it. Not with my big Hulk hands covering it. Drax. Cool. And then the inside of it, same thing, has 4 slots, and then a little part right there for your little monies to be put in. And yeah, so those are the Drax wallets that I made. And everything that you see on here, you can always find them on my website, ebonyray.com, on my Etsy shop, Crafty, Geeky, Sassy. I know I switched it up on there because that was my original name. But then I was like, hey, let's just go by my name. And then also you can buy it on my Facebook too. Ebony Ray Shop on Facebook and Instagram. So be sure to check me out. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. So you can stay tuned on like all the cool stuff that I make. Because I'm always trying out new stuff. Whether it be comic books, newspapers, candy box, cereal boxes. Like I try out a lot of stuff. So like I'm always making. And I love showing you what I make. And if you ever have any questions about what I make or want to recommend something I should make or try, holla at your girl. Let me know what you think. So I'll see you next time. Deuces. I was trying to put up the deuces finger, but I can't because these don't spread. So pound it. Holla.